Australian Film Festival was organised at Gymstrohini on 22nd January.
It is a pleasure for me to represent Australian cinema to different festivals. For last 2 months, I've been taking Australian cinema to various film festivals. Bangalore International Film Festival, Chennai International Film Festival. And this Australian Film Initiative has been going on for last 3 years. Being a teacher, I wanted it to be associated with universities as well. And thankfully, there has been a very good growing relationship between India and Australia. So it was the right time to also bring the discussion in classrooms and talk about Australian cinema.
Mr. Satish K. Singh, Editor-in-Chief, Live India, Mr. K.K. Dang, Associate Producer, Zee Media, and Mr. Akhtar Kamal, Independent Filmmaker and Writer, were also present in the event.
I believe Australia and India are getting closer, particularly in commercial trade side. We have got a lot of things in common. If you look at the minerals, we have a lot of things in common. You can see agriculture, we have a lot of things in common. You can see filmmaking, a lot of things in common. So, and with the growing friendship between the two Prime Ministers, with our Prime Ministers visiting the Australian land, I think it has got great future that both these countries, they have got a very sharing kind of an entrepreneurial mindset. So they to get together, I think we can see a very good future.
Actors from across the world are in fact looking towards Bollywood, and Bollywood actors are in fact looking for ventures abroad. So I mean there are things are in fact shaping up in fact good ventures. So I think it's good for India and Australia to in fact just have this kind of festivals, and definitely looking for business ties and films.
I would love to thank an Australian film initiative which is supported by Destination NSW for the films they have sent for this festival, and I can assure you here that these films were highly welcomed by not only the students but the faculty who attended the whole program.
The festival was followed by an interactive session between the students and Dr. Vikrant Kishore on different aspects of Australian cinema and Bollywood cinema.
For me, Bollywood is entertainment.
Yes, okay.
It is exactly and simply entertainment.
I'm really thankful to Mr. Vikrant Kishore sir that he gave us the opportunity to learn something new, to look at something new, and to understand the cultural differences in between Australia and Indian Bollywood film concept, and we loved the documentary as well.
Australian Film Festival at GIMS, it was a good effort that has been taken by GIMS as well as from Australian part, and I think this type of festival must occur every now and then at different institutes and different universities in India.
The program was graced by who's who in the news industry and set the perfect stage for the launch of the book of Dr. Vikrant Kishore, From Real to Real.
It was a big honor to our college, GIMS, as well as to us, all the students of the mass communication, that Mr. Vikrant Kishore picked up our college for launch of his new book, which is basically on Indian cinema, its impact on Indian culture, and I think this book will give lots and lots of information to our students, and we'll keep it as a prize publication in our library for children to refer to. Moreover, I would also like to say that the gentleman, the big man, Mr. Satish Singh, who did the inauguration, he said such lovely words and such wise words to the students, not only about the book but about the industry as such, and impact of industry both in Australia as well as in India.
It was really a very great experience for me, and I believe these kind of platforms should be given to all such kind of students who are interested in filmmaking, and in future also I will be looking forward for such kind of Australian festivals.